Dolce, what are you doing? Are you scratching the couch? Dolce, are you scratching the couch? Huh? You tired because you were scratching the couch? Yeah, you're so busy scratching the little couchy, aren't you? Go, Dolce, go. Get the couch, Dolce. Get the couch. Dolce, are you so tired? Are you so tired? You're just busy scratching that couch and it's not going anywhere, is it? No, it's not going anywhere. You just get so tired. You're so tired because you were just scratching and scratching, weren't you? Dolce, you can scratch the couch again? Hello, buddy? Little buddy, are you gonna scratch the little couch? You're gonna take a little nap? Yeah, because you're so tired. You were just so busy scratching and scratching. Yeah, we're tired now. We just scratched.